Hey Internet, it's RJ. Welcome back. Thanks for tuning into the show today. On today's episode, U.S. Bank is back with a nice high business offer that could net you up to $900, depending on which adventure route you want to choose. So in typical fashion, we'll cover this offer, terms and conditions, requirements, eligibility, everything you need to know to make U.S. Bank's money become your money. So of course, if that sounds interesting to you, then go ahead, press the subscribe button, and let's get to work. Now, as always, there will be a blog post down below as well as a direct offer link, not a referral, simply get you where you need to go the fastest. We have seen US Bank run a few of these. 900 is the higher one that I can remember in the past, so this one might be worth taking advantage of. So let's start off with the promotional material. And we have one guy, he looks pretty happy. He's probably about to hit some money with a hefty credit card fee. I mean, he's counting his money on the side there as well. So maybe he's, getting his money out of the register to go cash in on this promotional offer. So let's be like this gentleman and get happy. What do we need to do? Well, it is a choose your own adventure option. So the top one here is going to be a platinum business checking package. That's the one that nets you $900. There's your promo code. Deposit $25,000 within 30 days of opening and maintain the balance for 60 days. Then you need to complete 5 qualifying transactions. We'll talk about those in the eligibility section. Or, if you prefer, you could open a silver business checking package, which would net you $500, same promo code, and then deposit $5,000 within the same 30 days and maintain the balance for 60 days. Again, you will still need to do the 5 qualifying transactions. For both tranches, the bonus post 30 days from the last calendar day of the month of completion. And this is valid through March 31st of this year, so you do have a little bit of time. Now, hopefully this one does get extended because I would do this one. I can't do it until I think the end of April because US Bank, as you'll see in a second, has updated their charging policy for the business side, at least. Maybe on the personal too, would be once a year as opposed to every 24 months like it used to. So if they extend it, which they normally do extend it, and the promo code changes. So if you're like me, just keep your eye on the blog post because that's the easiest thing to keep updated. But there you go. Pretty simple to the point. It's a business account, so you're just talking about a deposit. No direct deposit or anything like that. I take this one to mean the counter starts from when you deposit the money for 60 days. They didn't really specify like hey, from day 31 to 90s, but just keep an eye on it. Usually I try to leave the money over there just to be safe, but you should be fine. That's how I read it at least. So let's keep moving here, taking a look at eligibility fees and closure next. And as you would have guessed, as you've used to hearing with US Bank at least, it is nationwide with the caveat that you need to have a US Bank branch in your state or be an existing customer. There is no US Bank branch in my state of Michigan, for example, so to become a customer, the easiest way is to get a credit card. Those cards are offered nationwide, even though the bank accounts are not for some reason, unless you're an existing customer. So I still mark this nationwide. They have a lot of good credit cards. I don't have links for any of them, but I am a fan, and in the Smartly program, which we've covered a lot on the main channel. Last thing I'll mention on that note is, from what I understand, the brokerage account loophole doesn't work anymore as guaranteed, so I won't go into it. If you knew, you knew, but I'm told that one isn't as reliable as it used to be, so credit card's your best bet. Now, in addition to that, this is what we teased. You can't have had an account in the past 12 months, which is an improvement because it used to be 24 months. So we're good to go there. Platinum checking is the one with the fee. It's a $30 monthly fee. It's waived with one of the following. If you had a Payment Solutions merchant account, not worth the hassle. $25,000 average collected checking balance. Wouldn't you know it? That's what you need to do for the promotional offer, so you're good. Or $75,000 combined average collected business balance as well across all accounts. So there you go. Silver checking is the fee-free option. There is no closure rule listed on here. Shut it down and get back in line as soon as you get paid. And the qualifying transactions include debit card purchases, ACH credits, wire transfer credits, and debits, Zelle credits, and debits of US Bank mobile checking deposit or bill pay. Other transactions, such as but not limited to other person-to-person payments, transfers to credit card, or transfers between US Bank accounts are not eligible. So you've got a wide range of options of what you could do for that qualifying transactions. I'd probably still do debit cards, but debit card swipes, but ACH transfers would also be pretty easy as well. And there you go, just like that, not too bad. Now, last time I did US Bank Business, there was a good amount of credit card funding. I think it was like 2,000 or 3,000. I can't vouch that that's still there. Someone will know in the comments, but it was a decent amount. So if you want to partner this up with a new credit card, that would also be good. And, Profitable Content has some credit card offers for your choosing if you are interested. So there's that. But overall, given the short lockup period on this one, I think this is worth it. I like the larger one. So 25 grand for 60 days. Not too bad in my opinion, even if you want to call it 70 days to give yourself a little bit of buffer room there. Not too bad given the $900 payout. And in the world of declining interest rates, there's a good way to get yourself into US Bank. Again, grab a credit card. If you're not, you can kind of double up. It is worth noting, probably won't come up, but we do talk about the Smartly Rewards program on the main channel quite a bit, which I'm a member of. That's how you can work your way up to a 4% credit card. This balance, they specified business and personal, so I don't believe that having 25 grand over here in business is going to help you with the Smartly program. Just wanted to throw that out there in case there are questions. But overall, not too bad. I hope it gets extended so I can partake in it as well. But of course, I hope you can. So with that, let's go ahead, plug this up, do the summary slide, then plug some stuff to bring us home. And here you have it. As you said, it is US Bank. The product is going to be a platinum or silver checking package. Choose your own adventure. Largely nationwide, but I will throw our asterisk there. Payout is $900 or $500 depending on which offer you go after. Requirements: the platinum package is going to be deposit $25,000 within 30 days of opening and maintain for 60 days. Of course, you do need to complete those 5 qualifying transactions. Silver, same exact thing, except you want to deposit $5 grand again within 30 days and maintain it for 60. 5 qualifying transactions as well. There are fees on the platinum one, but as we covered, just meeting the requirements of the bonus will cover you for that. And then closure, shut it down when you're done and get back in line. And just like that, you are well on your way. But if this one is not for you, well, then check out profitablecontent.com, which is the channel's blog. Always linked below for you and on the channel homepage. Over there, we have the latest news stories. We have plenty more bank promotions, some on the US Bank personal side as well, if you want to double up. And of course, we have credit card offers, so if you want to take advantage of some of that credit card funding, hit yourself a new intro offer along the way, really make it worth it, well, then we've got those as well. In addition to that, we have channel memberships. It's a Discord server shared between this channel and the main channel. $5 a month, cancel anytime, join on whichever channel is your favorite, and you get the full access. The gist of it is to assemble some of the best bonus hunters in the game to go across the country, find offers, refer one another, and of course, win applicable user member referral links and videos and blog posts. This is not a referral program, but we're not shy about plugging a good referral program over here, of course. You get to keep all that money. The gist of it, or the goal is that your membership would at least be paid for and anything else is, extra for the year. Of course, no earning cap. We're about 100 members strong over there, give or take. So we'd love to see you over there if you are interested. Anyways, guys, that'll do it for this one. So, of course, if you liked it, drop me a thumbs up down below. If you found it particularly interesting, consider subscribing to the channel. So we're posting content just like this every single week on how to make the bank some money, become your money, and, of course, every single day over on profitablecontent.com. As always, thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you very soon in the next one.